Hello and guys, welcome to my channel Live Tips and Tools. And today I am going to do a simple experiment. Not an experiment, it's what you seen in the title, that today I will fly a drone using a simple dry shell. It means this shell. Friends, this is a simple dry shell which you can buy in the market. It is easily available and it cannot be charged. If you want to fly the drone again, then you have to replace it with the new one. So friends, at first I will check the ability. It means it has the capacity to run a brushless motor and ESC or not. So I have a simple setup, this kind of setup, as you seen. That's the brushless motor and it's ESC, and I will connect this dry shell here, plus and minus. But it is only 1.5 volt, and it needs this ESC and motor needs about 11.1 volt. So I will take about 8 batteries. 1.5 volt into 8 batteries is equal to 12 volt. So I will take these 8 batteries and connect in a series connection, so that voltage will be 12 volt, and then I will connect here. So if the setup can run, if the setup can operate it, then I will sure that it has the ability to fly a drone. So if the project is success, if this setup is success, then I will, in next video I will fly a drone using this dry shell. So friends, thanks for watching videos, and if you like the videos, then please do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.
So friends, this is our multimeter, and so now let's check the voltage. So let's check plus minus. Have you seen voltage? 12.99, about 13 volt is coming. So let's tight it. At first, secure this wire with tape. So now it is done. Then let's connect the positive to positive and negative to negative of battery and the ESC. So let's connect. It will explode also.
Let's see what will happen. Slowly. Oh my god, I think it is started little bit. I had listen the sound. As you've seen friends, our ESCs and motor is started. Let's connect the signal wire to the receiver and turn on the transmitter and run the motor. It will run or not. Let's see. I'll take my transmitter. So guys, here is my transmitter and receiver. So let's now connect the signal pin to the receiver. I had connected to the channel number 3 because it is easy to handle the channel number 3, because this is a throttle. Okay, throttle. And it's my transmitter, and let's connect the wire. Let's connect it. What will happen? Okay, let's do it. Turn on the transmitter. Oh my god, whatever. Okay, now let's connect it. Yes, as you seen, motor is started and it is connected. The receiver is connected to the transmitter, and let's do that. It will move or not. As you seen friends, it is, our motor is moving. Okay, let's do that. As you see friends, our motor is moved and it is running, but due to the wire disconnection, it was again disconnected. As you see friends, it is running. Oh good. Okay friends, our experiment is success, and we know that we can run the motor by using a dry shell. Also we can run the drone by using these cells.